Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's jump into the Bitcoin.
What's going on, guys?
show.
I had a bunch of requests to start the stream early as Bitcoin was moving up, and obviously we got the daily and weekly close coming up very, very shortly, guys. It was a great day for Bitcoin, a great Sunday overall, man. I had an absolute fantastic day, actually a fantastic weekend. I hope you guys did as well. It was a productive weekend, a fun weekend. A lot of things happened this weekend, man. It was good. It was really, really freaking good. Trust me, guys. We'll hear from Java in a second. Java got absolutely wrecked today. So we'll hear from Java in a second, but I wanted to quickly jump in on the daily charts. What's going on, Digi? What's up, Heather? What's up, Sky? What's up, Making Crypto? Hope you guys are good. Anyways, Bitcoin pushing $63,000 right now, right? So we know we've been tracking this symmetrical triangle for Bitcoin over the course of the last couple, really, I guess the last week or so, since it actually formed, right? So we're coming up on the resistance right now. We are coming up on the resistance for a possible breakout for Bitcoin, okay? The breakout right now would be somewhere around about 63,300 approximately. That would be, that's the level where Bitcoin needs to break in order to break out of this triangle today. Obviously, as we go into tomorrow, probably see a slightly lower price for a potential breakout, right? So Bitcoin's looking really, really good in the daily. Another bounce off the bottom, another bounce off the 20-day exponential moving average. The 20-day exponential moving average. Another bounce perfectly off that level as well. 63.41 as we speak, guys. So that's what we're going to watch today. Are we going to get that nice pump over that before the weekly close? I've been hearing some different things, guys. Jordan had a green pickle this weekend. Let's not go there. Let's not go there right now. Maybe we'll talk about that later, guys. We have important things to talk about. Don't distract me already. We usually start getting distracted around 8:30, 9 o'clock. That's when we get distracted. But before then, you know, obviously we got to talk a little bit crypto. And Bitcoin is pushing 63.76. On the hourly, it's actually, so I did it on the hourly too. I took our downtrend of resistance on the hourly. That's actually sitting at right around same thing, like 63.250 on the hourly. Bitcoin 63.10 as we speak. Can we get a pump? Let's go. The start of the freaking stream, baby. Let's friggin' go. Let's friggin' go. The shoe said if you do resistance with the candle bodies that had already broken out. Let's go. 63.250. We literally started the stream and it's about to pump over it. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. All right, we got initial rejection. Let's freaking go. Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed. I love that. I love when you guys say that in the chat. It makes my day.
Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed.
63.210. All right, we're pushing it right now. Let's see if we get that break. We have room to run in the hourly RSI as well, guys. Yeah, the stock RSI and the hourly is topped out, but you can stay topped out for a while and still pump, right? So let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens in the next 6 minutes before this close here. In the next 6 minutes. Come on, Asia. Come on, Asia. Pump it up, bro. You know, don't be annoying. All right. You know what we need, guys. You know what we need to break this resistance. I need everyone to spam their swords, spam their shields right now. All right. Get the swords and the shields in the chat right now, guys. Hit that like button up too for Bitcoin pumping. Hit that like button for Bitcoin pumping. We need all the swords, all the shields in the chat right now. We need to break this resistance, $63,250 US for Bitcoin. Let's break this resistance on the hourly right now. If you guys are new to the stream and you can't find a sword emoji, just type swords and shields in chat. It's okay. If you're not good with computers, if you can't find emojis, you know, I don't like emojis are emojis. I mean, there's time to use them. Now is the time to use them. Okay. 63,280. Here it is. Here it is. Come on. Oh, man. Hard to find the stream. Let's go, guys. Let's freaking go. 63,272. We're doing pretty freaking nice. Let's see if we break this, man. We're right there. We are right freaking there. What do we say? Come on, Asia. 63,250. The daily is looking really juicy right now, guys. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. We are right there. Right there. We're at a big resistance right now, right? We got a couple. We actually closed at this level, 63,250 back here on November 2nd. So that might this might be a little resistance right here. Let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. Holy God. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't start the stream later. It's because over here we set the clocks back for daylight savings time over here in the US. So if you came in a little late, that's why. It's not because, you know, I purposely started the stream late or anything. It's just the daylight savings time just kind of throws everything off. You know what I mean? So awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. Looks like ETH is trying to move up again. Is ETH going to get another highest daily close of all time for ETH? We certainly could. We certainly could get the highest daily close of all time for Ethereum as well. Also, Bitcoin on the weekly is doing really good, and we kept talking about how, guys, it's one of those things that you can look at the weekly. Oh, Bitcoin's showing weakness, right? Bitcoin's showing weakness. I'd argue that Bitcoin is showing strength, right? Where you're retesting your previous weekly closes and coming back down and flipping them as support on the closes, right? Bitcoin has been extremely bullish on the weekly time frame. There's nothing really on the charts showing me that we're going to dip here. It's just another classic support into resist, or I guess it would be the opposite this time, resistance into support flip. Okay, that's exactly what you want to see. Man, I didn't feel like this was going to happen. So, like, you know, we're going to watch some stuff. We're going to watch some stuff. Ghost Eye said we're going to 1 million. Holy moly, man. If we go to 1 million, your boy will be very happy guy. And I'm sure most people in the chat would be very, very happy, unless you're savvy, right? Unless you're savvy and you'd be looking at the chart going, where is he? Where is he? Bitcoin's at 950,000. It's still bearish. There's bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We're going back down to 10K. Bitcoin, 950K right now. It doesn't matter. There's an Elliott wave that's going to push Bitcoin back down to $10,000. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed, guys. We're at $950,000. Nothing has changed. We're still going back to $10,000. Savvy would be the only one that's mad. But 63,305 right freaking now. All right. All right. There it is. There it is. There it is. At least on the hourly. It looks like we're cooking it. Can we break it on the daily? Can we break it on the daily? That's the question, though. We're right there on the daily, right? Basically, if you take it from the wicks, right? Wick to wick. We are right there on the wicks. Can we break it on the daily, guys? That is the main question here. That is thy main question. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Even if you're not in Bitcoin, I know everyone doesn't own Bitcoin, but even as an altcoin holder, you want to see Bitcoin go up, guys. Bitcoin going up shows relative strength in the market. You want Bitcoin to go up as an altcoin holder, okay? So even if you don't own Bitcoin, very, very important that Bitcoin does continue in an upwards trajectory. That's why this is so important. All right, we got the close, guys. We close right below it, like 63,330, right below it. On the hourly, it looks like we broke it on the hourly. Let's see what happens here as Bitcoin continues up. Here we go. There we go. Here we go, guys. Oh, man. Here we go. Oh, you gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Ran hard for a good pump, dead cat bounce. Facts. Absolute facts. All right, there it is on the daily, guys. There it is on the daily. Now, obviously, we haven't confirmed it yet. Now we're gonna, so since we didn't close above it yesterday, technically, now we're gonna need to see what we do on the new daily. Will we come into tomorrow and close above this resistance line, or will this end up being a wick? Yes, we're above it right now, but we need to see where we close tomorrow to confirm the breakout. But everything looks good here. We got the hourly close. Let's see if Bitcoin has any more momentum here to continue up. That's basically what we're watching here. The weekly close pretty good, right? The highest weekly close of all time, guys.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Bitcoin got the highest weekly close of all time. That is no joke. Guys, we make history again. I don't think you guys realize what's going down. Guys, we are living in one of the greatest, I would even say, dude, this past 2 years have been, obviously besides earlier days in crypto, has been the best way to make money, arguably in history, right? I mean, we got to remember what's going down here. We just got the highest close on the weekly for the biggest asset in that asset class. That's no joke, guys. That is no joke. And that's exciting. And that's exciting for what is to come. I think this is going to kickstart the next move. And I said, I think this week is going to be a doozy. I have a feeling that this week will be a doozy. Why? I just have a gut feeling. I have a gut feeling, and I thought we were going to break out of this triangle this week. We had to, right? We had to break out of the triangle this week, and that's exactly what we did. Exactly what we did. It's awesome. It's freaking awesome. Fatty said KDA is killing it, Fractal Boy. Let's freaking go. Sky said, Sky, man, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Sky, I don't know who's watching these streams. So I gotta be PG. I gotta be PG, man. Sky, man. We'll talk about that in the Discord later. How about that? I don't know who watches the streams though. Like I said. KDA is killing it, Fractal Boy. We'll check it out. Fatty McDonut. I still want to know what your favorite donut is. You probably answered this a million times. I just haven't seen. We are going to a Millie, said Ghost Eye. We'll find out, brother. I would love it if it did. Wes said, if we don't open in green, I'll take a Jabba tattoo. Wow. Wes is going all out. All right, guys. Wes in the chat said that he will get a Jabba tattoo if we don't open in the green. Well, we opened in the green, so I guess that's what we're going for here. What's up, Sky? Yo, I mean the crypto cat. Oh, yeah. I bought that. I've actually bought that the day before it pumped. I'm still holding it though. I'm still holding it. That's a long-term speculative play. I'm just gonna hold. It's not a significant amount of money. It's it's just a little bit I threw in there. Speculative play. It pumped up like 300%, then came back down. I don't really care though. It's money that I can afford to lose. But yes, I did buy that coin. I did buy that coin, man. Let's see. Rant hard for a good pump. Dead cat bounce. The dead cat bounce, guys. The dead cat bounce. I used to rant about the dead cat bounce so much, and it is so... You can't even rant about it anymore because there's no argument for a dead cat bounce. Like, you literally made new highs on Bitcoin, right? Real quick, guys, before we get back into this, Plan B, man, I don't... This is gonna be tough, bro. I don't want to doubt Bitcoin, because whenever I doubt Bitcoin, it does exactly what I doubt it can do. But this is gonna be tough to get the 97K in 23 days. Like I said, I'm not gonna doubt it, but I guess I am doubting it in a way. Maybe that'll pump it up, which I'll be happy with. You know, but I think 97 by the end of November. Man, I don't know if I see that happening personally. But hey, Plan B, no, Plan B, Plan B, Plan B, no. Jordan doubts me. Who else doubts Plan B? Who? Underground? Izam? You guys all doubting Plan B? How dare you doubt me in the chat? You'll see, by the end of November, we'll be above 97K. And you will not doubt me any longer. Doubters. Here's Jordan back. Alright. 63507. Plan B is very pissed. He's pissed at me now. He literally grabs my throat. But in the chat, my eyes. Oh man, that's funny, bro. That's funny. All right, let's see what's going on. So Bitcoin's moving up slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. What else do I want to check out? Oh, guys, look at the total market cap, bro. It's exactly as I predicted, right? Let's bring our good friend on the show. Come on, Carl. Carl, come on, Carl, let's go. Carl, let's go. No, you can talk about Bybit in a little bit, all right? Come on. This played out exactly as I predicted, right? Inverse head and shoulders, back test. We created a bull flag and we pumped up to the upside. We pumped up to the upside. It was awesome. Awesome. We're going up to our target. Our eventual target, like we said, is 2.85 trillion. Total market cap is killing it. Okay. That's all the analysis I have today. If you guys want to check out my Bybit link down below, guys, check out my Bybit link down below. Once again, guys, check out my Bybit link down below. Guys, one more time, don't forget to check out my Bybit link down below. Don't forget, all right? Don't forget, one more time, Bybit link down below. Shut the frig up! All right, 2.77 trillion right now. Total market cap is looking extremely good, man. Extremely good. Total 2 market cap is looking good too. We're continuing up pretty much in a straight line. Besides, a couple weeks in September, total 2 market cap is killing it, bro. Killing it. The other free bonus. Things are pumping. Here we go. We're going up again, guys. Everyone's spamming XRP. We'll try XRP in a second. Bitcoin's going off. You guys are spamming XRP. XRP. And it's going up a little bit. Doesn't look like it's pumping like Bitcoin. But yeah, it is moving up though. XRP, we talked about, guys. XRP, if XRP can break, 122, which looks like it's trying to do right now, it's probably going up to 134. Bitcoin's going nuts right now though. 63,670. Look at that daily breakout, man. Look at it. Just marvel at it. Now, like we said, we got to see where we close tomorrow, right? We got to see where we close tomorrow. Right? It's all about the close. Right now, it looks all fun and dandy, but we got to hold it. We got to hold this, right? But so far, so freaking good. The daily is just a great setup overall, to be perfectly honest, man. All right, 63,670. We continue up. We continue up. Bootney said XRP is better than SHIB. I would actually say no. I'd rather own SHIB than XRP, and that's saying a lot from me. I would rather own SHIB than XRP, personally. Now, anyone who wants to own XRP, no problem, own it. There's no problem with holding XRP. I'd just rather hold SHIB. I'm just saying something, I guess. 63,700. We're gone, man. We're gone. Oh, what's our target, by the way? We've got to actually look at the target. That would help, guys. The target breakout from this is swing high to swing low. Extrapolate at the breakout point. It's going to put us, ding, 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 chicken fingers in there, tofu if you're vegan. It's going to put us at the level we talked about yesterday, guys. The level we talked about yesterday was $74,000, which is a very, very important area. So many Fibonacci levels matching right up at that $74,000 range. A lot is calling for $74,000. Fib levels, breakout targets. You can name it. You can name it. What else is being called there? What else do I want to check out here? Our Giordano Inu Fractal. Will this be the prophecy of the Giordano Inu Fractal? Okay. If this will be the prophecy of the Giordano Inu Fractal, we will get a pump here. Okay. We will get a pump. I think we're right here. All right. We got to see if the Giordano Inu Fractal will continue to move. All right. This is basically, if you guys are new to the channel, this is Bitcoin from 2017 to the end of the bull market. And this is what we've done so far. Literally the exact same thing. Can KDA do a mini sol? We'll check it out, man. But yeah, if the Giordano Inu Fractal prophecy continues to go, this would be what would happen next. You guys are all probably looking at this like, Jordan, we don't want to. You guys are all probably looking at this little part right here. looking at me going, but Jordan, there's a big dump coming. There's a big dump coming, it says. I don't want Bitcoin to do a big dump like this. A 30% dump. I can't stomach that. I can't stomach that, Jordan. Please say this is not going to play out this way. I'll panic sell. I will definitely panic sell, Jordan. I know there's a lot of you guys looking at it that. We'll see when we get there, right? Let's finish this move if this is going to play out. And then when we get here, we'll figure out where we are. To be fair, this would put Bitcoin somewhere around the $84,000 range, which I think we'd all be pretty happy with first. Okay, but we'll see if we get there. We'll see if we get there, man. We will see if we get there. 63,773 as you speak right now for Bitcoin, by the way. The big dip could be a CME gap fill. Could be. Could be. I would love a 30% dump. I think a lot of people would crap their pants at 30% dump. And here's the thing. A lot of people right now will say, Jordan, I would love a 30% dump. I would scoop up a lot of coins. But you guys know when the time actually comes and the dip comes, everyone's going to say, bull market's over. It's over. And you're going to have all these people, right? If you guys didn't know this meme, this is what's going to happen if Bitcoin did have a dip. All right, we're getting, I don't even know why we're talking about Bitcoin having a dip right now. It's absolutely mooning. I'm going to play the pump song. You guys can see Bitcoin in the background right here, pumping. But read the meme. That's going to be everyone when Bitcoin dips, okay? All right, so I'm going to get rid of the SpongeBob meme, but you guys know the typical SpongeBob meme. We bring that up every dip, and it plays out the exact same thing. You still have all the people in the chat saying, I'm selling my coins. It's over. It's over. And then Bitcoin goes back up. Now, at some point, it won't, right? At some point, it won't. At one point, like we always like to say, guys, a clock is right once a day, right? A clock is right. Actually, yeah. No, actually, a clock is right. Wait, a clock is right twice a day. A clock is right twice a day, right? But the other, whatever it is, thousands of times, it's going to be wrong. Holy majoli. Holy majoli. 64,000. Bitcoin pushing 64,000. We have a big green pickle alert. I want everyone to spam a pickle in the chat. And if you can't find a pickle, just type pickle. Just type big green pickle in the chat right now. All right? I want to see everyone do it right now. All right? If I don't see you do it, I'm going to be very upset. I'm going to be very upset. After the stream, I'm probably going to go in my bed and think about how upset I am. That's probably what's going down. So seriously. Bitcoin's going off. $64,000. I don't know what to say. We've done it. I mean, we have done it. We gotta wait for the close, but it's going nuts. Also, hit up that like button, guys. Hit up that like button. Let's get more noobs in here. Let's get more crypto noobs in the live stream by hitting up that like button. Right? The more crypto noobs we get in here, the more the price will go up. To be honest, like I'm not gonna lie. Let's freaking go. 64,110. We're continuing up. Daily RSI is at 82, guys. So keep that in mind. But Bitcoin is showing no chill right now. Bitcoin's showing no chill. Zero chill, actually. I'm putting the pickle back on. Holy... LTC. Someone said check LTC. Bro, no one cares about LTC right now. I'm just kidding. We'll check out LTC. But I bet everyone thought the same thing. Let's actually go double screen here so we can keep an eye on Bitcoin. And then we'll go over some other stuff too. Y'all want to hold vet? Rip that wedgie. Let's see. Sure Beer said, don't FOMO, there is no volume surge. Bro, I've heard this no volume narrative since 29,000, all right? Chill with the no volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. You sound like a Karen when she goes to a restaurant, bro. That's what you sound like right now. You sound like this chick right here. There's no ketchup on my burger. I paid $1 for this ketchup. I paid $1 for this ketchup, and I want my ketchup on my burger right freaking now. Give me my ketchup. Give me my ketchup. There's no ketchup on my burger right now. None. None. I'm not eating it. Right? That's what you sound like right now. There's been no volume since Bitcoin's at $29,000. Give me a break. Give me a break with the volume, bro. Chill with the no volume. Okay? Zero volume.
Rant alert. Rant alert.
All right. What else we got? Let's look at ETH. ETH is actually ETH. We didn't even check about ETH. ETH is actually had its highest daily close of all time, and ETH is pushing 46.43 as we speak. Right? As we speak. Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed.
But yeah, I mean, 46.44. ETH is going up too, guys. And ETH actually has more room to run than Bitcoin right now. You know, where Bitcoin's hourly RSI is getting pretty high, right? It's at 85. So if you're looking to FOMO now, just be careful. Obviously, ETH on the other hand has plenty of room to run here on the hourly RSI, which is super nice. Super nice, man. Don't want to hold LTC. I'm going to be nice to the LTCers today. They've gotten a little bit too much heat. Okay, they've had a little bit too many
rant alert
for LTC. All right, so ETH is doing good, guys. ETH highest daily close of all time. And I'm sure it's the highest weekly close of all time for Ethereum too. Yeah, I mean, it's been that way for the last 1, 2, 3 weeks. Weekly highest close. I mean, we're in a bear market, guys. This is what a bear market looks like. If you didn't know what if you guys are new to crypto and you wanted to know what a bear market looked like, this is it. Okay, this is what a bear market looks like. I don't know what else to say. I mean, we're just extremely bearish right now. Extremely bearish. I mean, the price. Look at how low the price has gone since May. Right? It's absolutely ridiculous how bearish Ethereum looks. So I'm not going to defend Ethereum anymore. I'm going to let the price action do the talking. But it just looks extremely bearish right now. Okay. Let's see. 64,202 for Bitcoin. So bearish. We bearish. The bull flags. Yeah, the bull flags, man. The Ethereum bull flags. Oh, we forgot about the Ethereum bull flags. Every bull flag for ETH has led to extremely higher prices. Look at ETH. Not mind-numbing talk. Yeah, I don't like to be bland, man. I don't like to be bland. ETH is pumping right now, so we're getting a pump song for ETH. 46.56. ETH is gone too. Bitcoin is also gone. Okay, gone like the wind. Gone like the wind. What else do I want to check on, guys? We'll check on some other stuff. I mean, it's Sunday, so we're not going to really look at the S&P, the DXY. You guys know where those are gone, right? DXY is just kind of chilling. Stock market is, I mean, do we even have to rant about the stock market today? Stock market's bearish. We're going into a bear market for the stock market. Bear market for the stock market. Have you seen my fib circles? Have you seen my fib circles? My fib circles is calling a bear market for the stock market, which would be a bear market for crypto. My fib circles. My fib circles. Freaking fib circles, bro. Get your fib circles out of my lane, bro. Get them out. Where'd you get that hat? You can find this hat, dude. You can find this hat on Amazon. If you type in, you type in Ethereum hat, bro. Or type in crypto hat. You'll find it, dude. I forget how much this cost. It wasn't that much, dude. I mean, there's other ones. This was the nicer one. It has a little bit of a embroidery here. But dude, you can find it right on Amazon. Look at Bitcoin, bro. Man. Enjin stuck in the job of head and neck and shoulders. Holy Bitcoin. Look at BTC, dude. BTC's gone again. Do I have to play the pump music again, guys? Do I play the pump music again for Bitcoin? Holy. $64,600 we just touched. It just keeps going. Keeps rocking and freaking rolling, man. Nothing has changed. All right. Let's see what else we got here. We go to a milli. All right, let me go back a little bit. Hold on. Let me go back a little bit. Go to a milli. Rant hard for good pump. Dead cat bounce. Ginger sick. We look at AMP. Let's look at AMP for Ginger. We got Bitcoin over here on the left, guys, so you guys can see AMP. Or you guys can see Bitcoin on the left. We'll do altcoins on the right here. It's one of those days, man. It's one of those days. Let's see what we got going on, man. Go to the 4. Let's go to the daily on AMP. See what AMP's doing. AMP's not doing diddly squat. Whoa, this is not the right AMP. Why does this one always come up? AMP on Gemini. There we go. Yeah, AMP. We talked about AMP had like a fake out to the downside, right? A fake out to the downside on AMP. And then it came back in and essentially pumped. And now it's just consolidating, right? You actually came back down and back test some of your previous highs, which was freaking awesome, man. It was freaking awesome. You perfectly back tested some of those levels, and now you're looking to sort of do your thing, right? Do you have a little bit of a wedgie going on, man? You guys know I love my wedgies. Let's see what you got cooking, man. See what you got cooking. Was this the breakout? Honestly, this could have been the breakout of a wedgie for AMP, and then you could have just gotten the back test on the 4 hour. So, I mean, you could, but essentially, right now you're probably seeing some altcoins getting sucked into Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin settles down for a second, you know, you could see some altcoins starting to bounce back here. 8 point. Yeah, be patient on the alts, man. It's just like we saw a couple weeks ago. Bitcoin flies up, then Bitcoin settles for a little bit, then altcoins fly up, right? We just had a couple weeks of, actually a couple weeks of altcoins going nuts. AMP, 8.4 cents. is the target there for AMP. And I think it eventually hits that. You're probably going to need to wait till Bitcoin settles down a little bit, possibly. But that's sort of the what's going down right now for AMP, right? Nice little back test of this downtrend of resistance. Target will be 8.4. But yeah, AMP finally broke out, man. It's good to see AMP getting some price action rather than literally doing nothing, right? I mean, it's good. It's good. AMP, as we know, is our typical.
That's an exit stablecoin. That's an exit stablecoin.
Boom. All right. Let's see. Strap on. Savvy going to the moon. Savvy's going to the moon. Savvy's probably going to the moon like this. You know, he's probably strapped onto the rocket, and he's probably like this. You know? No! Please! Please! I promise I'll be bullish! I promise I'll be bullish! Please! No! Don't launch! Don't launch! No! Oh! He probably didn't want to go to the moon, but the moon boy strapped him on the outside of the rocket, and now he's going to the moon. Now he's going to the freaking moon. Smash the likes, said VZH. Thank you, VZH. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes for VZH. Most entertaining crypto YouTuber, in addition to be honest and thorough. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, VZH. VZH is my homie. He's always in here. Sir Dude said, I, for one, am glad I went all in on gold. How is gold doing, by the way? How is gold doing, real quick? How is gold doing? I doubt it's not doing very well. Well, at least it's probably doing well, but not compared to Bitcoin. Gold. It'll move at some point, right? As we know, gold will move at some point, but that some point could be 10 years from now. You know? Gold. Vet took a nap. Yeah, Vet took a little bit of a nap. That's for sure. Let's see. Yo, I mean the. Pick up some cat. Yeah, I did pick up some cat. Some cat. P Financial. P Financial. I own some P Financial. You guys are like, Jordan, how do you own P Financial? I do. I do own some P Financial. Definitely. All right, let's see. Please check out XRP. Holy XRP. XRP is going to the moon, guys. We said 134 is probably coming for XRP. If it can break this resistance, it's going. Don't wanna hold that. Yeah, 134 is coming, man. 134 should be on the horizon now. It should be, in theory, right? In theory, it should be there. Wait, what's going on right now? Wait, hold on, guys. I hear something going on, and hold on. We got to go investigate this. No, I don't want to short again. I don't want to do it. I don't want to ever see a screen again. And then I can't short. So I'm going to blind myself. And I never want to see another crypto chart again. Ow! This hurts so bad. Ow! I don't want to see. I'm never shorting Bitcoin again. Savvy! It's all your fault, Savvy. Why do you do this to me? Oh man. Oh, Java.
Let's jump
All right, Java.
into the Bitcoin
Java's blinding
show.
himself. Holy. $64,750, dude. This is a great stream. I guess all the days of us getting no price action is transferring back into one day. This is great. This is great, man. Right? This is great. This is making up for the weeks of nothing on stream. The weeks of nothing on stream. Not even days. We're talking weeks. It's great. Absolutely great. ETH is going off too, guys. ETH is going off too. Hold up. Holy ETH! ETH new all-time highs, baby. All-time highs on ETH. I gotta go gangster hat. We gotta go gangster hat when ETH is breaking all-time highs, man. Ethereum and Bitcoin going off today. Look at ETH. All-time highs for ETH. Again. Let's freaking go. Too much pickle juice. Too much pickle juice, man. Too much freaking pickle juice. But there's no volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. Where's the volume? It's not even like Karen, dude. It's like Bob trying to find the remote. Where's the remote? I need to raise the volume. Mom! Mom! I can't find the remote. I need to raise the volume. I can't find it. It's usually under the couch. Because I fall asleep on there eating meatloaf. Mom! Mom, where's the remote? Come help. Oh, man. It's too good. It's too good. All right. Go to another restaurant, Karen. Jess Watts said, we can check out KDA. It's a mini soul. Yeah, check out KDA real quick while ETH is settling down. Oh, we can't even get off Bitcoin, dude. It's going up again. 65,000 incoming. 65,000 is incoming for Bitcoin right now. If we go to the daily on Bitcoin, look at this 4-hour candle, bro. That's a girthy 4-hour candle. There's nothing left, guys. There's no resistance left for Bitcoin. There's no resistance left for Bitcoin until the previous high up here at 67,000, right? There's nothing left. I mean, you guys can see on the 4-hour, there's nothing, right? We broke this high, we broke this high, we broke this high. We broke every high besides the top one. No resistance. Look at Bitcoin in the daily. There's nothing left until highs. There's nothing left, man. Look at it. Just marvel at that breakout, man. We were talking about this triangle, bro. I told you guys I thought this was going to break to the upside. And when we did, we're going to see massive week. And we are getting that. Well, it hasn't been a massive week so far. But we're getting a massive day. Definitely getting a massive day. Look at ETH, dude. Dude, I played the pump song so much today, bro. Oh, man. I got to keep doing it. It's working. Holy crap, man. Bitcoin and ETH. I can't even get off of them. They won't give me 2 seconds. I just want to look at some other coins. But Bitcoin and ETH just keep making new highs. How, guys, tell me in the chat right now. How am I supposed to get off Bitcoin and ETH when they're doing this? I can't. I apologize to everyone waiting for other coins, but I can't do it if this pumpage is happening. I can't. Bitcoin's at 65,000 right now. Just play the pump music continually. Man, you don't. We don't. Don't we need to watch Bitcoin and ETH? We do. We do need to watch Bitcoin and ETH. I don't know. This is ETH on the 4 hour. If we go on the hourly, look at that hourly candle for ETH, bro. Look at that thing. That's the biggest. That is a girthy hourly candle, man. That's girthy. Yeah, man. I mean, Bitcoin's at 65K. What's new? Well, I mean, nothing's new. We were at 60,000 yesterday. Other than that, nothing's new. Nothing's new, man. Nothing is new. ETH is at all-time highs again. ETH is dead, though, guys. Can I remind you guys of this simple fact?
Rant alert.
I need to pick this up real quick. Why can't I pick this up? Bro. Whatever. ETH is dead, guys. ETH is dead. It's never going to pass its all-time high again. It's a dead coin. It's doing nothing. You should definitely not have any patience with ETH right now. It's the most bearish coin that I've ever seen. I'm actually even wearing a hat in remembrance of ETH because it's been dead for so long. ETH is dead. ETH is dead. Holy majoli. 65,000 just got broken for Bitcoin. 46.86 for Ethereum right now, guys. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Dead pickle. Can KDA do a mini Sol? I'm sure it can, man. I mean, it's crypto. It's crypto, bro. You know, if you're asking something can do what Sol did, I think is pretty unrealistic. Sol has been, you know, up there with, you know, Sol has been arguably the best performer in the market. You know, for at least for high caps, it's been the best performer in the market for months. So asking if another coin can be that, I think, is a little bit unrealistic expectations, but I'm not going to say it's impossible. It's crypto. Anything's possible in crypto. Just always try to have reasonable expectations. Don't expect coins to do 100x. You know, that's coming at it at a wrong line of thinking. But if it does, hey, that's freaking awesome, man. Pumpy Pump said, Giordano Inu to the moon. Thank you, Pumpy Pump. Let's check out Litecoin real quick, guys. You guys are like, no, Jordan, do you want me to? Don't check out Litecoin.
Nope.
Right, we'll check it out real quick. Check it out real quick. Because Bitcoin and Ether taking a small break at the moment. Look at Litecoin. Look at Litecoin, man. This talk is too serious. Someone said this talk is too serious. We need pump music. You're at 205. 209.5 is that next resistance for Litecoin. You're probably going to 209.5 now, man. And if you break that, well, you're probably going to upwards of 231. I mean, that's the daily RSI has plenty of room to run here for Litecoin. Obviously, Litecoin's very, very tied to Bitcoin. So obviously keep that in mind. If Bitcoin has a pullback here at some point, Litecoin will probably have a pullback too, right? So Bitcoin's getting a little bit overheated. I'm not going to say it can't keep going up because Bitcoin does what it wants, when it wants, how it wants, with who it wants, why it wants to do it. And Bitcoin could just continue up here. I mean, I'm not going to count it out, though. Based on the technicals, I mean, you are at 87 on the hourly RSI for Bitcoin. So obviously keep that in mind, guys. I'm not going to say it's done. I'm not going to say this is done. Bitcoin can do what it wants to do, especially if you get liquidations and you get, you know, especially with all that stuff. So keep that in mind. But yeah, Litecoin looks good. Litecoin looks good. I think it goes to at least 209 at this point. Does this mean no Dogecoin tattoo? Oh, we're already past the no Dogecoin tattoo, man. We are already past the no Dogecoin tattoo. ETH is... Dude, can ETH hit 4,700 tonight? Are we going to have a $4,700 ETH tonight? That is the question, guys. That is the question. BTC was overheated from January to April of this year. Facts. We're mostly just taking the hourly. Like the daily and the 4 hour have plenty of room to run on Bitcoin. It's mostly just the shorter term time frames where you might get, at some point you might get a little bit of a dippage and then a little bit of continuation up, right? At some point. Doesn't have to happen right now. Doesn't have to happen right now. I made it. Crypto Savvy's liquidation. Yeah, exactly, man. Shib Tat is my next bet, man. I'm not doing a Shib Tat. Doge, that was back in the... I was pretty confident in that bet. That's why I made the bet. I was very, very confident in that bet. Or else I wouldn't have made that friggin' bet. I don't want a Dogecoin tattoo. I was confident in that bet. Why? Because I've also invested in crypto, and I wouldn't invest my money in something that I didn't think was going to go up. So it was an easy bet for me. Easy bet for me, even though there was no upside to my bet. There was only downside, right? If I won, I don't get anything. I just get, I had the balls to say I would get a Dogecoin tattoo if it didn't go up. That's all I get, I'll take it. I'll take bragging rights. It is what it is. 65 and ETH is at all-time highs again. You gotta hit 47,000 for 4,700 for ETH tonight. Or it's 4,700 or bust for ETH tonight. 4,700 or bust. ETH is a bay. Cody said all the people stuck at the top in May are done selling. Now they're all FOMOing back in. Facts. They're all FOMOing back in. They were doing altcoins, and maybe it's the time for the Bitcoin and ETH show. And XRP. XRP actually, a lot of the times, actually follows Bitcoin very closely, I've noticed. So you'll probably see some of the high caps start to perform a little well. It's been one day, right? We don't actually know that. But if the trend, what usually happens, you have altcoins go up for a little bit, and then Bitcoin goes. You probably expect Bitcoin and ETH and even XRP to perform decently well here. Don't want to hold Litecoin? Don't want to hold light. Guys in the chat, answer this question for me. Would you rather hold Litecoin or would you rather hold Bitcoin Cash? Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash? Let me know in the chat right now. I'm interested. I think we asked this before. But I'm very quick. Would you rather hold Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash? Let's see. Missy. What's up, Missy? Best crypto channel. Thanks, Jordan, for all your hard work plus non-numbing TA. Thank you, Missy. Appreciate that. Sir Dude said, can you say hi to my daughter, Zoe? She's a fan of all this pump music. What's going on, Zoe? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing real good, Zoe. Hope you're doing real good. And I'm glad you appreciate the pump music, and I hope you're having a good time with us. Because let me tell you right now, your dad is having a good time right now. He's having a good time.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Let's see. All right, ETH. Litecoin. Everyone's saying Litecoin. A lot of people are saying Bitcoin Cash. Hey, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. I sold all my Digibyte. Let's see. Sky said Enjin stuck in a Java Head and Shoulders. A Java Head and Shoulders. We'll check out Enjin in a second. Sillard said October Bitcoin rally deja vu. Bitcoin pump, alts bleed, then a correction, then alts recover fast. Exactly, Sillard. Knocked it right on the head, man. Couldn't have said it better myself, dude. Couldn't have said it better myself. Bitcoin goes up, alts, go sideways-ish. And then Bitcoin chills for a little bit, alts go up. Rinse and repeat until you hit a top at somewhere, right? Rinse and repeat. All right, Bitcoin is coming down a little bit here. With an hourly RSI was a little bit overbought, guys. A little bit overbought on the hourly RSI. If I'd be surprised if this came down a little bit and continued up. No, but now it's ETH's turn. Because why? ETH's hourly RSI has room to run. Whereas Bitcoin was at 88, ETH is only down here to 68. ETH has room to run, and it's pumping right now. ETH continues up. 46.96 for ETH. 46.96. XRP is going nuts. Yes, it is. We're expecting XRP to go up to 134, guys. We're expecting a 134 XRP here. It's got plenty of room to run. 134 ETH. Or sorry, XRP. RSI has the room to get up there. It honestly does. We'll see if it does. Look at ETH. $4,700 for ETH, guys. This is insane, bro. This is insane. $4,700 ETH. Do you realize what's going on here, guys? Do you realize what's going on here? We're seeing a $4,700 Ethereum. Doesn't sound like anything crazy, but we have never seen Ethereum this high before. It's honestly, I don't know, man. I am. There's gonna be one day, guys. There's gonna be one day. It's probably gonna happen for everyone that crypto blesses you so much where you're gonna sit there and you're just gonna be like, holy crap, what's going down? And ETH is almost at that point for me. ETH is almost at that point for me, man. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy what an imaginary coin, what's crazy what an imaginary coin can do for your life, bro. It really is. It really is, man. You know, yeah. It's insane. Sometimes I know we're getting a little sentimental here, bro, but sometimes it's crazy, dude. Sometimes it's crazy. All right. Let's get back into it. So Enjin is... All right, so Sky wanted to check out Enjin. Should I use the Bitcoin or ETH chart at this point? I don't know. I feel like I got to live Bitcoin up. Let's go for Enjin real quick, man. Let's check Enjin, man. Enjin. Oh, it's coming down a little bit. So you're going to see, I mean, as long as Bitcoin's holding up here, you're going to see that you're going to see some altcoins bleed out. You know, it is what it is, man. You're going to see altcoins bleed out. Bitcoin's sucking liquidity out of altcoins right now. I mean, it is what it is. They go in waves, right? They come in waves. Now, what you can see here for Enjin, where I would expect the bounce here for Enjin would be this trend line coming up. You guys can see, I mean, bounce, 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 and bounce. You just keep bouncing, right? It's like a trampoline here. It's like a trampoline. You just keep bouncing. Can you come a little bit lower? Sure, you definitely could. I mean, this is where the trend line is. So if you come a little bit lower down to like 312, approximately 312, man, I mean, in theory, you would expect this to bounce back here at some point. So what am I on the 1 hour? Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. See where this is looking at, man. I don't know, man. It's not. Here's the thing. You just want to hold that trend line, bro. You want to hold this trend line. If this breaks, you could probably see a move down to 282. I don't think it does. I think you're just seeing Bitcoin have a big move and then some alts that are performing well coming down a little bit because of that. But I think Enjin bounces back, dude. I don't think it. Worst case, it comes to like 282, but I don't see it just dump into oblivion, you know? If anything, you could argue that this is actually a bullish formation here. You can see, I mean, same resistance on the top side. 1, 2, 3, resistance on the top side, higher lows. You'd expect this to move higher, you know what I mean? In theory. In theory. You know, if we would take the swing high to swing low, and we extrapolate this to the upside, this would give a target for Enjin upwards of 470, right? 470 upwards target, man. It's insane. Absolutely insane. So yeah, Enjin looks good, man. Have patience. Altcoins, you know, altcoins are going to do altcoin things when Bitcoin moves, you know, either to the upside or to the downside, really, whichever way it decides to go. I will fight, said Sky. Sky, I know you'll fight, man. Sky's the homie in the chat. I know Sky will fight. You will fight. 64,839 for BTC. Why are we getting resistance here? Is the question. Looks to look all the way left. Yeah. So this, I actually forgot about. I actually forgot about the price action from May. I'm not gonna lie. You have your previous all-time high wick, which was right there at about 64.8, and that's why you're getting some resistance here, right? So all the way back here from May, extrapolate that over. That is where you're getting your current resistance at on the daily. So that makes sense. That makes sense. But other than that, if you can break that, there's nothing left until all-time highs. Absolutely nothing. ETH is still chilling at 4,700-ish. 4,700-ish. James said fake out. Oh, no. Michael said fake out. Michael. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. You're going to scream fake out? You sound like... You know what you sound like? You sound like this guy. I don't even know who this is, but you sound like this guy, Mike. My name's Mike. And I just scream fake out every time Bitcoin pumps. Fake out. Fake out. Fake out. Bitcoin, this is a fake out pump. All I do is sit on Twitter and YouTube chats and just type fake out. Fake out. My name's Mike. Oh, man. Fake out, fake out, fake out. Anything could be a damn fake out. That's the thing with fake outs. You don't know if they're a fake out until they actually confirm they're a freaking fake out. Right? Nothing is... Mike the Grinch. The Grinch. That did look like the Grinch, huh? That did look like the Grinch. That was pretty funny, man. Nothing has changed. My name's Mike. Fade out Mike. Fake out Mike. All right. Glad you guys enjoyed Mike. Mike. All right, let's see. Yo, check XRP. The switch has been flipped. Yeah, XRP is doing well, man. XRP is doing well. Getting a little bit of a pullback right now, but I mean, not really a pullback, but a little bit of rejection there. I still think XRP is going to 134 at some point here. You know. Let's see. How's Jimmy Stimmy? Let's ask him. Jimmy, you want to come on stream real quick, man? What do you mean? What do you mean you're too pumped up? No, you can come on stream. What do you mean you're going to hit the screen with your plunger? No, it's fine, man. I don't really care. I'm very happy right now. If you hit the screen with your plunger, I really don't care. I really don't care. Come on, stream. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Hey guys, it's Jimmy. What an awesome day we've had. My $500 stimmy. Guess what? It's now a $700 stimmy. Strap up. Our stimmies are going to the moon. My name is Jimmy with the $500 stimmy. Strap up. We're going to the moon. We're going. Guys, I told you. Plan B. Plan B is correct. 97,000 by the end of November. We're going. Strap up. We're going to the moon. All right. Before he hits his plunger on the screen. Jimmy. Strap up. Is there enough boost for PBX to move up? I have no idea, man. I cannot say that I've looked at PBX today. So let's say let's go check it out. PBX. This sounds like a TV channel, man. And this sounds like to me. PBX. Let's see. Voice like the worms. Oh man. Let's see. Could this wait, what do you say? Does it have enough boost to continue up? It's got bullish divergence. The thing with altcoins is, I mean, when Bitcoin's super bullish, altcoins, some altcoins will still continue up. You had bullish divergence here. Is that enough to push you back to the upside for whatever this is? Bounce off the 0.5 fib. The old 0.5 Fibonacci. What I like here is I like the higher lows coming in a nice little trend line, actually. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Nice little trend line coming in there for Paribus. Wait. What am I, a cat? Sorry, hairball. Hairball. Alright, it's out. It's out. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I was coughing on, man. Holy crap. Alright, Bitcoin's back at 65,000. They're just casually back at 65,000. No, but honestly, you bounce off the 0.5 fib. I like the higher lows coming in with bullish divergence. Daily stock RSI also bottomed out. It's a good setup, right? It's a good setup to bounce higher. You just need to see if you obviously hold this trend line. If you don't, could come back down to the 0.618, a little bit lower, about 2.1 cents. If this holds, well, you got the setup obviously to go higher for sure. 65,000 for Bitcoin as we continue higher, bro. We're continuing higher. Dead cat bounce. I literally subbed for Jimmy. Thank you, man. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. We're here every day, man. We have fun on the stream. Obviously, today's a little bit more fun than usual because we're getting price action, which is great. Bitcoin's continuing up here, 65.50. All right, guys, I think we gotta play the pump music again. Let's wait for some confirmation here on the new hourly. We just got the new hourly candle. Will Bitcoin dump on the new hourly? That's the question. Cav said Bitcoin and ETH charts only. Mainly yes. We'll keep it on Bitcoin and ETH for sure. Let's go Crow. Love the show. Jake from the bucket. What's going on, man? What's Crow doing? Is Crow moving up today? Let's check on Crow. Crow. Yeah, I mean Crow's been killing it. Even though it's not really moving up. Well, it is. It is moving up technically. Let me get the better chart here. Yeah, I mean Crow. What are you doing, Crow? 4 hour looks like it has momentum to run up higher. $65,300 for BTC. Rip the shorts. Rip the shorts in half. Rip them. We need that meme where the bear gets kicked in the nuts. Bear nuts. We need the meme. There we go. We get the bear nuts meme. We're good. We're doing good. Just the tip. You all hyped? 65,400. There goes Bitcoin. Most bearish thing I've ever seen. Exactly, Jerome. What's good, brother? Come on, Jerome. Come at me, bro. Come on, Jerome wanted to fight the other day. Guess who won the fight? Me. Come on, Jerome. Oh yeah, Jerome? You want to say we look bearish, bro? Come on, bro. Man. Jerome. Let's see. Check Paribus. We did Paribus. Plan B is correct. We just need some 10K candles now. Yeah, just some casually 10K candles. Just some casually 10K candles. You know? That's all we need. Look at the daily candle already, bro. We've only been open for an hour. Look at the daily candle, bro. We've been open for an hour. 1 hour. Uno. Not dos, not tres, not cinco. Uno. Hour right now. And this is what the daily candle looks like at the moment. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. What we're witnessing right now is insane. ETH is also moving up again. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm playing the pump music too much. You guys, let me know in the chat. Am I playing the pump music too much, or is it justified? Am I playing the pump music too much, or is it justified? Let me know in the chat. I think it's pretty justified. I'm only playing it when it's making higher prices. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Justified or too much pump song? Justified, too much. Justified, too much. No. Justified. I think it's justified. I don't know. It's both Bitcoin and do it. Warhorn? Justified? Okay. We're gonna play it again. Don't wanna party. Look at Bitcoin and ETH, bro. Bitcoin and ETH. Man. It's too fun. It's too fun, man. Look at Bitcoin and ETH. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up, man. You really can't. Look at ETH, bro. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's great, man. This is insane. I love it. All, like I said, guys, the weeks of us doing nothing on stream, this is what we've gotten. A whole stream of pumpage for the last hour and a half. It's been great. It's been great. Orn, please. Yeah, we'll check out Orn. We'll definitely check out Orn in just a second, man. I'm trying my best to do other alts. It's tough to get off Bitcoin and ETH right now. I'm trying my best, though. I'm trying my best. Orn for Sky. All right, ETH looks like it's taking a breather. As soon as I get off ETH, it's going to be at 4,800. Watch. Let's check out Orn on the 1 hour and see what's going down. Orn. Did Orn just break out? I feel like I'm saying horn, but I'm not. I promise I'm not saying horn, guys. I'm not that dirty. Yeah, so a downtrend resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. You just got that breakout for Orn. Awesome, man. Awesome stuff. What is the next move? Well, let's take a look. Are you going to have a pullback here first? Let's check out the hourly. After party. It's obviously a fake rally. It's fake. Orn 872 hourly RSI. It's still a little high. Let's take a look at the fibs real quick. Yeah, this could come down a little bit further potentially. It's crypto. I mean, it's crypto. Crypto does what it wants, when it wants, how it wants. Could this come a little bit lower to cool off a little bit? Sure. I'd probably say looking left. I mean, this 618 is a lot of confluence. Do you come back down to 840 though? Be tough. I could see the 0.5, couple previous highs at the 0.5 fib. I could see you come back down to 850 to cool off the hourly RSI, and then go on another run after you cool down a little bit, and certainly continue up. Now, the next resistance would be like this high from back here, 909. Be the next resistance if you continue up. which I think you will. Ultimately, I think you will. For sure, man. What's up, Krail? Finally, thanks, dude. Thanks, Krail. Sato is the next ETH killer, said Monica. Appreciate you, Monica. You're always in here shouting out Sato. Keith with the 199 super sticker. Thank you, Keith. Appreciate it. Proverb said, God bless all in the stream, and especially No Name. Wow. Proverb and No Name. I think they should get married. They're gonna get married. Gone to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Third Proverb and No Name are gonna get married. I had to do it. Proverb and No Name are officially married. Congratulations. No, seriously, shout out to everyone, man. I mean, days like this are awesome, especially if you own Bitcoin and ETH, and other coins. Chainlink's going up, XRP's going up, ETC's going up. Everything is going up, man. Everything's going up. Even ADA's going up. Even ADA is going up right now. It's a great day so far. Obviously, a great day so far. Let's see what else we got. End of year, can you check SHIB? And then you got SHIB. SHIB's going down. SHIB will bounce back at some point, right? SHIB will bounce back at some point. But we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. It'll bounce back at some point. People love SHIB. It'll bounce back. Have patience with it. Bitcoin's having its run. Getting some liquidity sucked out into Bitcoin. It is what it is. And it's SHIB. Keep that in mind. You know, a lot of people that own SHIB are newer, I would say probably a little bit slightly newer investors, especially the ones that bought up here. They're probably selling and going into Bitcoin. Why? Because they want to FOMO into what's going up. So I mean, just be patient with SHIB, man. Be patient with SHIB. It'll go back up. In all seriousness, it's coming from me. It's coming from me, man. Such a SHIB hater. I said SHIB is going to go back up. I'm not being a SHIB hater. I am not being a SHIB hater right now. I'm actually saying that be patient with SHIB. It'll go back up. Justified. That's the new SHIB song. Let's see. End of year price predictions for ETC. Let's see. End of year. Heard Jordan singing a wedding song. No Name. You and brother were married. Let's see. So ETH Classic has broken out my end of year ETH Classic prediction. Here's the thing with ETH Classic. The Robin Hooders love ETH Classic. It's tough to do a price prediction on ETH Classic. In a nutshell, I don't think it's a great coin, to be honest. I don't think it's a great coin, but I think of the fact that it's on Robinhood. It's the lowest price coin besides Doge on Robinhood. You know the new investors love the low priced coins. They probably think it's they honestly probably think it's Ethereum. Let's be honest. They probably see Ethereum Classic and they're like, holy crap, that must be Ethereum. And it's really not. ETH Classic, I think it at least gets back to its highs at 176. It's tough to do a price prediction on ETH Classic, man, just because it's so FOMO based, man. This came from pure FOMO here. When it went from $10 to 180, pure FOMO. It's been consolidating for so long. I picked up some ETC down here. I think around like 45-ish ducks. Ducks. I said ducks. 45-ish ducks. somewhere down here. I'm strapped up, ready to go for ETH Classic, man. I'm strapped up, ready to go. Safe Moon. Let's see. What's up, Betty? Betty said justified. Betty, I think you're a little bit behind on the stream, Betty. She still said justified like 20 minutes ago. You might be a little bit behind. I see a couple people still saying justified. You might want to press live unless you're watching it over. End of year price prediction. Thank you. Thank God I listened to you when you said just buy when it was at 29.4K. Rodney, that was you, bro. Rodney, that was you, brother. Don't give me the credit. Don't give anyone the credit. You had the I'm just going to say it. You had the balls to buy when everyone else didn't want to. And in crypto, when everyone else doesn't want to buy, when everyone else saying the price is going to go lower, typically, now, like we said, the clock is right twice a day, right? Even a clock is right twice a day. Sometimes this won't be accurate, but most of the time in crypto, if you're buying when most people are fearful, when most people are saying it's going to go lower, most of the time, eventually, might take you a while, but most of the time you're going to have a significant gain on that investment based on the past. I mean, you think about it. I mean, you could have bought Ethereum at any point and you'd be up. Bitcoin, you could have bought on any point besides one day and you'd be up. Many coins you could have bought any day and be up. Obviously, if you bought in May, you might be a little bit down on some of these alts, but you know what I mean. You get what I'm putting down here. Don't blame it on me. You had the cojones to press that buy button, man. You had the cojones. Most people in here did not have the cojones. And that's just me being honest. That's just me being honest. Just me being honest. You know, a lot of people did. Not gonna say people didn't, but I think the majority of people who came back probably bought back in as the price moved up, which is fine. This is fine. At least you are not a no-coiner at this point. At least you're not a no-coiner. Keith, the super sticker. Thank Keith. Appreciate it, man. Daryl said Harmony won. Let's check out Harmony 1. Bitcoin and ETH are chilling right now, guys. But like we saw earlier, it can chill for 2 seconds and then continue up, honestly. So don't rule out another move here. All right, so Harmony 1. Harmony 1. Let's see. So Harmony 1. It was, what did we say, guys? Don't rule out the... I feel like Bob when he goes without his meatloaf for one day. If Bob doesn't have his meatloaf for one day, this is Bob. Where's my meatloaf? My meatloaf. Mom, I need my meatloaf. But in all seriousness, guys, I mean, what was I saying before? Don't count out the wedgie. They play out almost 100% of the time. For what I've seen. Everyone look at the channel, they mostly break to the upside. Another one, man. Broke out of the wedge to the upside, came back down, back tested the previous resistance as support. Let's see if this can push you higher now. Okay. Not really too much to say on this short-term time frame yet, but nice little back test there. I think this is going to bounce. Now, obviously, just be in mind that Bitcoin could be gearing up for its next rally. Altcoins might, you know, as you saw last time, altcoins might be chilling for a little bit. If this is going to be the Bitcoin rally, we don't know if it's going to be yet. Okay, like we said, we have to see where we close tomorrow to actually confirm the breakout. But the target for Harmony 1 is 38 cents. 38 cents, man. That's about it. Meatloaf for trolls. Rosemary said, Jordan, do you live in the basement of your mom's house? Yes. I absolutely live in the basement of my mom's house. It's great down here. It's great down here. It's nice and cool. If you haven't lived in a basement before, guys, you definitely should. It's nice and cool down here. I mean, I can't even argue how nice it is down here. It's cool. It's dark. Um, you know, I mean that's the basic gist of it, man. That's the basic gist of it. Top 3 cryptos, 2/3 the market cap. Yeah, that's true. I mean, I can't argue that. Please take a look at Pilgrim Coin on PooCoin. It's about to break all-time high. Dip got ate up so fast, chips included. Pilgrim Coin on PooCoin? Bro, you said it yourself. It's a PooCoin. It's a freaking PooCoin. It's on PooCoin. Why would I look at a crap coin that's on PooCoin?
Nope. 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 Nope.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Shout out to the Bank of Canada guy. He's the best. Stumbledore said, I'm scared, Jordan. I've never made so much money. It's above and beyond my experience level. ETH, man, your wife is rocking my world. She's rocking my world too, man. I mean, I had like a, you guys probably saw it for a second. I just had like an epiphany moment of ETH and just where it's at and where it was at not too long ago, man. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, dude. Only crypto can do this. I mean, obviously some stocks can do it, but I had an epiphany moment earlier, man. It's crazy, Brad. It's absolutely crazy. Let's see. Glenn said, can you look at targets for Quirdo? What's Quirdo, man? Why does that sound like the squid coin? I don't think it is, but let's see. Quirdo. Holy majoli. You just had a massive move, man. I can't really give you targets for this. You know, there's not enough on here. You know, I guess we got the hourly, but, you know, is that super useful for you? I don't know. Let's see. Let's check out the fib, see what we're working with here. You actually went right to the 3618. Now, you're still pulling back. Man. Where do you pull back to now? Where do you pull back to now is the question. Let's see, man. Swing low to swing high is the 382. I mean, at this point, you would want to get support at 479. I want to say 479, right? That's the first fib level you look for. Ultimately, you usually retrace to the 0.5 or 0.618 most likely here, or most likely in general. But I mean, your hourly's resetting nicely. The daily doesn't even exist yet. 4 hour could use a little bit more juice to the downside. I could see you getting a bounce at 479 if you come back a little bit lower to reset some of these indicators here. 451. So 479, 451 seem the most likely there. What's Link doing? Whoops. No, not my Bitcoin chart. Come back to Link. Link the Slink is trying to link the slink. So Link the Slink is trying to slink the link. Ooh. Pretty good. It's pretty good. Link the Slink is trying to link the slink. Link the Slink is trying to slink the link. I like it, man. I like it. What's up, Rodney? Appreciate you, my dude. Rodney's a good man. Rodney's a really good man. What's up? What's up, Wes? Maddox going to the moon right now? Matic is moving up. Trying to move up. Yeah, Maddox doing well. You're seeing some altcoins starting to move up now. Bitcoin's settling down for a second. It's probably, I mean, it's at 88 in the hourly RSI. It might cool down for a few hours here, guys. You know, it might cool down for a few hours, maybe come a little bit lower, and then move back up while altcoins start to go up a little bit now. So you're seeing Matic move up. Matic's about to break out of an inverse head and shoulders. Actually, it already did, I think. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me get some. Let's see. Matic, you know, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This could be a breakout right here. This is probably a breakout for Matic. Kaboom, kaboom. And whatever you call it, a extrapolation of the breakout puts you back up towards $2. $2.01 to be exact. Not too shabby if that does play out. Not too shabby at all, if you ask me. Not at all. I like that. VeChain's still down today. Still down. Dead cat moon. He said a dead cat moon. That's pretty funny. Steven said, almost crashed my truck during the bear nuts. The bear nuts skit. Don't crash your truck, man. A lot of people watch the streams where they're driving. Just be careful, obviously. I don't want anyone to get hurt, you know, obviously. Just be careful if you're driving and watching the stream, seriously. Dimitri said, what the H is going on out there, Giordano? A good day in crypto, man. It's a good day in crypto. Bitcoin on the daily looks juicy. Like, Bitcoin looks so good on the daily right now. So good on the daily. Incredibly good. And let's look at the weekly. I mean, look at the weekly. The weekly is already going. You know what I mean? Like, the weekly looks extremely good. The daily looks extremely good. I don't know, man. We're just looking good. We're just looking good. Look at Matic go, though. Matic's going. Matic, baby. Get up there. Get up there, Matic. Yo, don't start with the audio, guys. Do not start with the audio. You guys are killing me, dude. I already know you guys are trolling. You guys keep doing it. I can see when I'm muted. I can literally see on my thing if it's not working. And I can literally see on the software here me talking. Don't be doing the audio troll, okay? Don't be doing the audio troll. You gotta step up your game with trolls, man. You gotta step up the game because I'm not falling for the audio troll. I'm not doing it. Jordan's built a resistance for the trolls. Oh, my resistance for trolls right now is great. Obviously, Bitcoin going up has a little bit to do with it too. But yeah, resistance for trolls is great. Barry said, missed the daily close. Barry, did we? I don't think we did miss the daily close. Daily close was obviously super. I mean, it's closed right here. And then obviously we got a massive, massive continuation going into today. So this just looks extremely good. I mean, uptrend, bullish consolidation with the breakout off the 20-day EMA with room to run on the daily RSI, with room to run on the stock RSI in the daily. A good setup here on the longer term timeframes. Now, shorter term timeframes, like we said, you're a little bit overbought. You could cool down here for a few hours. So keep that in mind. If we start coming down here a little bit, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. An 88 on the RSI is pretty high. It's pretty high. Daniel said all praise. Yep, definitely. Jack said, have you missed your opportunity to buy audio? No, I scooped up audio, man. I scooped up audio the other day. I didn't scoop up Soul, but I scooped up audio. What's audio doing right now? Yeah, it's still chilling. Still chilling like a little villain, you know? But I definitely scooped up some audio. I had a nice breakout here. It's just consolidating for that next room up, man. It already had the nice breakout. I love it. Love it, love it, love it on audio. Love it, love it, love it. My screen is black. Yeah. Screen is black. You guys, I can see me on screen. I have a screen here that shows me live. I can see exactly what you guys see. You guys are too funny, man. Don't be sound way too low. Oh, all of a sudden now the sound's too low. You guys are funny. The trolls, man. The trolls. Go troll Savvy. Don't troll me. What did I do to deserve a troll? I didn't do anything to deserve a troll. Go troll Savvy. Go troll Optical Alert. Or Optic Alert, whatever that guy's name is. Go troll them. Not me. I don't deserve the trolls. You know? I don't think I deserve the trolls. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Sometimes I do, for sure. But not today. Not today. Jordan, give me hopium for SHIB. Never thought I'd see the day. Hey, I'm a realist, man. That is what it is. SHIB's down like 40% from its highs. I don't... It might go down a little bit more, but heck, man. I mean, how much lower can you go? Bitcoin's pumping again. Dude. Bitcoin needs to chill, bro. My pump song button is broken. My pump song button is broken for Bitcoin. I can't do it again. I can't do it again, dude. Don't do it. Don't do it to me. Wait till tomorrow. We've had enough pumpage tonight. Wait till tomorrow. Bitcoin, we've had enough pumpage tonight. Don't do it to me. The pump song's broken. Wait till tomorrow, bro. Let's see. Can we check ICP for the vibes? Where's 52K bears? 52K bears. I don't know where they're at, man. I don't know where they at, but they're not here, man. They're not here. What have we always said? What have we always said on this channel? When everyone's expecting a lower price, Bitcoin does the opposite, which is usually go up. We say this every single time. Bitcoin 52K. Bitcoin 52K. No volume. No volume. There's no volume. Bitcoin 52K. And Bitcoin continues up. Every single time Bitcoin goes down, it's always a lower price, and we're always in a falling wedge that breaks to the upside, and we continue to hit that target of the falling wedge, and we continue higher every single time we go into a falling wedge.
Rant alert.
I'm out of breath. We need a savvy rant. I don't know if we need a savvy rant. Let's see. Jordan is malfunctioning. Man. You need to clap when doing that? You don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. Check ICP for the vibes. Actually, to be fair, right? So what is he going off about now? Actually, to be fair, I'm going to be honest here. ICP looks like it bottomed out. You know? To be fair here. You know, yeah, the chart sucks. ICP sucks. Like, ICP really sucks. But it might have actually bottomed out. Finally getting higher lows coming in. Finally starting to get some uprise action. Yeah, it's not a lot. You know, you can't really get excited over this, but, you know, the chart looks like it's bottomed out. You know, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Nice little round out. Trying to get back to the upside, right? So, ICP looking good. I would, maybe not good, but looking fine. I don't think it's going to go much lower, if anything. I think it finally found a home in the 50s, okay? And the daily, it's not really telling you much, to be honest. Not really telling you too much. If you can break, I guess if you can break this resistance here, I mean, you have a good shot of coming back up to, you know, $77. If you can break $57, ICP has a good shot to go up to 77, what we said. So watch 57. You got to break that initially. Bunch of resistance at 57. So that's ICP, man. The longer the base, the bigger the breakout. Yeah. Can be true a lot of times. It came in the scene as better than BTC. Of course it did. Of course it did. It does not look good. I wouldn't say, I mean, it doesn't, so I wouldn't say it looks good, but I would say it looks like it could potentially reverse at this point. You know what I mean? Not enough data on the weekly here. Definitely not data on the weekly. Finally pumped on stream. Yeah, it's great, bro. I'm out of energy. Like, I was dancing for like an hour and a half straight. I am out of energy. Yeah, this is one of the days I wish I had a coffee on stream. Definitely one of those days, man. Let's see. Bro, why is KRL price in Coinbase 342 and KuCoin 360? Is that normal? And when it dump in KuCoin, it go up in Coinbase? Yeah, it's normal. It's normal to have different prices on different exchanges. Maybe not by that much. Sounds like a lot. But you typically see that price difference all the time. Even in like Bitcoin, right? So it's nothing really to worry about on that, man. The True King said Crypto Island. Yeah, man. A crypto island. Imagine everyone just bought a crypto island and everyone that owned crypto just hung out on that island and just flourished together. That would be such a peaceful, peaceful world. It probably wouldn't. It would probably be like the rest of the world. But in theory, it would be a pretty peaceful world, I think. In theory. Order a coffee? Yeah. I probably should, huh? Probably should. Let's see. Everapedia IQ, please. Long-term fib, smash that like. Thank you, David Ross. David Ross. Ross is such a great last name. I don't know, something about Ross. What do you guys think about the last name Ross? Does it get you excited? It gets me excited. I don't know. Everapedia. Let's check out Everapedia. So Everapedia. Let's get zoomed in a little bit. This thing's all over the place. This thing is all over the place. Some of these charts, man. Definitely all over the place. Man, I'm trying to see. Give you anything on any of these time frames, man? Not really, dude. Not freaking really. Break trend line. You finally broke this trend line, it looks like, which, you know, in theory probably isn't the greatest thing to do. Looks like you finally broke this trend line, at least on the 4 hour. I mean, could you dump a little bit here? Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Where could you come back down to? Well, this 382 looks kind of juicy, obviously, to begin with. You have some support resistance in that area, 21.7. And then, obviously, down here at the 0.5, a couple of support areas at that level as well. 21.2. I'd watch those two areas first. Then we can start looking at the golden pocket. But looks like that trend line just broke, at least on the 4 hour. The daily's really not giving you too much action here. You know, daily stock is topped out. Could need some momentum to the downside for a few days. But go find out on Everapedia, man. John Ross. Stumbledore said, Jordan, you're the man. If I was your neighbor, I'd stalk you like a shadow. Maybe I already am. Stumbledore? Stumbledore? Is that you? Stumbledore, how did you get in here? No, Stumbledore. Stumbledore, no, Stumbledore. Why are you stalking me? Why are you stalking me? No. Ha! I told you I was Mike. I'm actually Stumbledore. I stalk Jordan. That's what I do. I stalk Jordan. I've been hiding in his closet for 2 weeks, whispering to him, saying, Jordan, I'm in here. Jordan, I'm in here. I've been stalking him, and now I've taken him captive. I'm going to give him back to you now, but he's mine. He's mine. Holy crap. 3 weeks. Stumbledore's been he's been stalking me. Nightmare fuel. Oh man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Wes said Maddox going off. Yep. We looked at Maddox going bonkers. Going bonkers. Wipe your nose, Grinch. Someone said yikes. Yo, Jordan, reckon you could check out Zill. Just because you said reckon. I love when people say reckon. Guys, I have this weird thing where people can be like, reckon you can check this out. Or I reckon, how do you even use that word? Reckon you could give me some of that water. Or reckon I could have some of your chicken parmesan. Why did I say chicken parmesan? I love when people say reckon. I love it. So Jay, just for you, just because you did that, man. Just because you did that, we're gonna look at Zill. You know? Reckon. It just sounds so peaceful. I don't know. What sparked this pump? Mate. Hey, who down in Whoville? Let's see. I reckon you should check that chart down yonder. I don't know. I like that. I like it. You guys probably know what I mean. All right. Zill. Higher lows, lower highs. Classic consolidation. The problem with Zill, I'd probably say, is I guess you're coming from the downside. Technically, you have to give this a bearish bias. But here's the thing. Crypto is bullish. That always throws a wrench in the pot of traditional technical analysis, right? Because crypto, in a nutshell, when other assets, when Bitcoin's going up, it has a higher tendency to break to the upside, as we know. So what will Zill do? I mean, this has been consolidating since June. Down, up. You know, what are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? Let's zoom in a little bit. Zill. What are we doing, brother? What are we reckon we doing? Are we making a wedgie? Are we making a descending triangle? Man, it's too early to say if it's a wedgie or descending triangle. The reason is because you only have 2 touches on the bottom side, which normally I like to have 3 touches. So could you come back down here and test one more time? Absolutely. And it's probably going to depend on where this comes back down and tests to. If it tests this, you know, up here at 10 cents, it's probably more of a descending triangle. If it comes down a little bit lower than the previous 2, probably a wedge. I don't say it's terribly confirmed what type of pattern this is just yet. So let's wait and see. I think either way, I think you probably come back down and test this again. Ultimately, at least come back down to, at this point, you know, I could see 10.3 cents coming at least one more time. But we'll see. We'll see for Zill. Zill, in a nutshell, like we said, we're just waiting on a breakout of this big symmetrical triangle that's been going on since June. Come on, Zill. We're waiting for you, man. We're waiting for you. Hello, will Solana go? I mean, Solana's had a massive run. It's having a little bit of a pullback, which is fine, man. We've seen this from Solana before. It goes on a big run, it consolidates for a little bit, and then it just keeps going, man. I don't think Solana's done. And most people can agree that they don't think Solana's done. Does anyone in the room think Solana is done? Raise your hand. If you think Solana's done, raise your hand in the chat. I bet we won't see many raised hands. I reckon we won't see many raised hands. You know? Viral said, stay ruthless, sir. That's what I do, man. I stay ruthless. 24/7. I'm ruthless, man. Just kidding. I'm really not. Sometimes I am. Like I always like to say, guys, if I feel like I need to be ruthless, I will. Lax said they're not trolling. YouTube sometimes shows black screens on phone. You have to restart YouTube, especially on Androids. Wow, that's never happened to me. But hey, if it happens, reset your iPhone, man. Reset your Android, whatever you got. Reset it. Wow, people actually think Solana's done. 2 hands up. Solana going to the moon. Yeah, Solana's not done. Solana's not done in my opinion either, guys. You know, Solana $500 end of year, said Cody. $500. Yeah, I mean that's a 2x from here right now. I don't think that's terribly unreasonable. Close again in 19 minutes according to your timer. No, we got the close in 6 minutes according to the timer. Let me turn that off. Stop, please. Thank you. Go away, man. Go away. We already got our bullish close. We don't need you anymore, timer. Yeah. Appreciate that, Steve. Tony said, check Doge. What's Doge doing? Doge. I know Tony loves Doge. I think Tony likes the dog coins. Tony's a dogger. I'll say that. Let's see. So Doge, I actually like the setup. I mean, you broke this downtrend of resistance about a week ago. Actually, about 2 weeks ago. You broke up, came back down and tested. Came back up. And now then you basically came back up, down, and tested the next previous 2 resistance points. And are looking to bounce from there. So the daily looks like a good setup. At 4 hour, I mean, nothing really crazy going there in the 4 hour. Decent rejection there on the 1 hour, actually. So, actually bring this fibs up here. The old Fibonacci's, as we like to call them. I'm going to bring it to this one there. So yeah, you went up to the 236, got an initial rejection on the 236, right there. Next one would be upwards of 28.5 if you can break this 23.6 level. But we got to see if we can do it first, guys. Yeah, you got to break this 27.2 cent mark for Doge. You got to do it, man. You got to do it. So that's Mr. Doji. Mr. Doji. Stepped away for a few minutes. What is he going off about now? I was going off about our wedgies, man. People always doubt the wedgies. And the wedgies are 3 for 3 of calling the wedgies are 3 for 3 for calling the end of the Bitcoin dips. 3 for 3. And, at some point, we will miss on one. At some point, we will miss on a wedge. That's what I was ranting about earlier, though. We checked out Zill. Stumbledore said, LOL. Nathan said, hi, mate. Reckon you please check out Seller. You guys are all saying reckon now. Yeah, we can check out Seller. Why not, man? Why not can we check out Seller? If you get off stream, the pump will end. Probably will, man. It probably will at this point. This is not the whole Seller chart. I was like, what the heck is going on with Seller, man? This thing's getting destroyed. Have you come back down and tested the previous high? You haven't just came back down and tested the high yet. I think at this point, makes sense to come back down to 10.4. You almost got there. Just missed it. Just missed it. But ultimately, I mean, we can see what's going down, right? We can see what's going on in Goblin Town. Ultimately, is a bull flag right on top of resistance. You still could come a little bit lower here to test this previous high at 10.4 cents. But ultimately, you can see a giant bull flag is forming here. And let's just see what this price target would be if this broke out to the upside. Ultimately, would put you, depending on where you break out, 25.8 cents for Seller. I don't think Seller's done. It's just consolidating after a break of the previous highs. So Seller's looking good. Hail to the Wedge King. Hail to the Wedge King. Can you look at Sol? Yeah, Sol. So, I mean, Sol's been going ham, guys. Sam's been... Sam. I just called Sol Sam. I guess Sol's name is Sam now, guys. Everyone say hi to Sam. What's going on, Sam? I guess your name's Sam now, Sol. Is what it is. Sol was going nuts. And you you were at that point where, I mean, it was likely you were going to get bearish div because the chances you got above a 90 on the RSI again were pretty slim. So you had bearish div on the daily, and you were going nuts. You were going nuts just a couple weeks ago. You were sitting down at 110. This is a coin that's already done this. You know, like you're gonna get a pullback. So ultimately, where do you pull back to? I mean, let's take a look where you could pull back to here. I think the first level to watch would be obviously the this cup and handle that you broke out of on the daily. This ultimately, that's probably what 214. It would make sense to come back down and test that level. You usually do come back down and test those levels before continuing up. Ultimately, though, I don't think Sol's done. I don't think Sol's done. You just like for now, a pullback is healthy on Sol. Though at some point here, it's gonna bounce here at some point. We know how Sol is. The hourly is getting relatively close to oversold. Potentially. I could probably say in the short-term time frames, probably would likely to get a short-term bounce off like 235. And then kind of get a relief rally back up and see what you do from there, you know? But Sol's looking juicy. Sol's looking juicy for a bounce here soon. For sure. Oh, show. Oh, show. Like I said, for sure. Sol MTV. Looks like ETH is trying to make its way back up too, guys. ETH and Bitcoin, like, yeah, they pull back a little bit here, but ETH and Bitcoin are holding strong right now. As of right now, obviously that could change fast, but right now they're holding up strong. MTV, is this a giant? Is this forming a giant? So you had bearish divergence here. That played out. That played out really nicely. You got the dip. Is this going to turn into a giant cup and handle pattern for multivac? And inside of that cup and handle pattern, is this going to turn into an inverse head and shoulders inside of that cup and handle pattern? You know, look at this. Kaboom, kaboom. You just need to get that breakout, and it's there. And as well as inside that cup and handle, on the handle, you have kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Why am I doing that? I don't know. But that would essentially push you a lot higher for multi-back. I mean, if we wanted to, I guess as Ben Cowan would say, dubiously speculate, okay? Swing low to swing high. I mean, ultimately, a 4.7 cents multi-back would be in the cards here if that did break out. So let's see what happens here at multi-back, but ultimately, I like the setup that's forming here after you already had a nice little dip after the bullish bearish divergence. Ryan said, can you check out Akita Inu on Algo? Akita Inu? Just for you, Ryan. I'll do it for you, dude. I'll do it just for you. I wouldn't do it for anyone else. Let's see. Akita Inu. God. I don't know what to say about this one, man. I mean, it's a meme. It's called Akita Inu. I don't know if it's a meme. I'm going to assume it's a meme because it has Eno in the back. If you ever start a coin, if you want it to be taken seriously, don't add Inu at the end. If it was just Akita, you'd probably take it seriously. But yeah, I mean, giant, holy majoli, this thing got wrecked at one point. Holy crap. People got wrecked. Yo, some people bought up here, dude. Holy moly. Imagine buying this up here. Oh, you got wrecked. And then it bounced back and, well, the rest is history. It looks like Shiba. It looks like Shiba on this time frame. You know, big dip, retracement, and coming back lower. So you can't really do TA on this, right? You can't really do TA on an Inu coin. I mean, they're gonna pump when they want to pump, essentially. So, you know, I guess the best we can do on this is, you know, swing low to swing high. I guess you bounced off the 618, but you couldn't get any juice. You're coming right back down. So your hope is that you bounce again off the 618 and make a double bottom, and hopefully that can push you back up. But is that going to happen? We got to see. We got to see. We'll see if this can bounce off 271, man. Is my gut feeling saying yes? Well, probably not. Probably not. But that's the nature of meme coins, man. We forgot easy, Ryan. Dobo is the best meme coin. Oh, 100%. Jordan trying to come up with some catchphrases. I don't know. I don't know about that, man. Is what I said not the 100% truth? J-Man, I have no idea what you said. You know, at this point, I have no idea what you said. What time is it? 8:54? Bro, I feel like we've been live forever. I feel like maybe it's because we played the pump song so much. I feel like we've been live for 4 hours. I'm not complaining. I was just surprised it's only 8:54. You know? ETH and Bitcoin, though, I mean, ETH and Bitcoin are kind of chilling. ETH is chilling at 46.93. Can ETH continue higher tonight? Here's the thing with ETH. Like, yeah, Bitcoin's like a little bit overheated here. ETH, on the other hand, could have some moves to the upside. Obviously, if Bitcoin pulls back, you probably see ETH pull back too. But I mean, what a day. What a day on both Bitcoin and ETH, man. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Time flies when you're having fun. It's true. That's very true. Bruce said no. Time change last night? Yeah, it was the time change last night. I have something to do with it. Good night, Ed. Take it easy, bro. Can we look at Aave? Approximately where do you think it will top? It's hard to give tops, man. I mean, I don't want to sit up here and be BitBoy, right? You know, and just spit out some random number. I actually like to look at and look like things that actually make sense. Here's the thing with Aave. This thing is another thing that's been consolidating for months, right? Downtrend of resistance, uptrend of support. This is going to bounce out. This is going to bounce here at some point. This is going to bounce here at some point. Where it bounces, well, let's take a look at the possibilities, right? Where's this going to break out, bro? Daily stock is bottoming out. I think Aave breaks out. I mean, technically this is go on for a couple more weeks, but I think this breaks out sooner rather than later. Just trying to think what the eventual target of this would be. Would be upwards of. Let's just take a quick look, guys. Let's take a quick gander, shall we? 803 would be the target there after a very, very long consolidation for Aave. Ultimately, I own Aave. I think it breaks up. It's another one that I'm kind of waiting on. I think you're going to see a move relatively soon. Short-term time frames, nothing really going down. Just waiting for the movement. Just waiting for that eventual move to the upside. Jordan's crystal ball is broken. Oh, you want a top, right? I guess the best we can do for that, right? The best we can do for that is let's see. Been a fun stream, man. It has been a fun stream. Jord boy. The Jord boy. Jordan's the bottom. The best we can do is do Fibonacci's, right? If we want to be serious, like if we don't want to just do some random, oh, Aave can hit $10,000, right? Let's do a Fib. So here's the levels I would watch for Aave in a parabolic uptrend, which I do think is coming for most altcoins. Probably say 99% of them. And 1.618, 976. 976 would be the first one. Okay. Second one, right around 1500. Okay. So you're at 323. That'd be about 5x where you're at right now. those are probably the most logical areas to look for. This is probably the most logical. About a 3x, it's about a 5x. If you want to go higher than that, these are gonna be tough. Closer to 1965. That's what are we talking? 6.5x or so. But these are getting a little bit high for me. I'd probably say 976 to 1478. If we're going based off Fibonacci and not just, oh, I think it's going here, so I'm just going to say some random number on my thumbnail. Right? Now, those are the level I'd watch for, in all seriousness. If you wanted to look at it, man. All right, ETH. We gonna do it again? Is ETH gonna do it again, guys? 46.94. Is ETH gonna do it again? I wanted to. She's waiting for me over there. She's waiting for me right over there, guys. I might have to skedaddle and go check out what ETH is doing because she's looking good over there. Like, I'm sitting here on stream like this, right? Because ETH is looking so good over there. I'm sitting here like, because she's looking so good. Seriously. Savvy TA? Savvy's TA? Savvy probably thinks this is a three-wave to the downside. Like, this is probably Savvy right now. He's going to make a video tomorrow. I told you, nothing has changed. I told you so. Yada, yada, yada. This is what he's going to say. Welcome to the stream. Another members only stream, because that's what we do every day, because I can't take the hate and I have very thin skin. All right, so let's continue to look at what we've been looking at, guys. Okay, let me get a fresh chart out for Bitcoin, guys. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're at obviously not new all-time highs for Bitcoin, but nothing has changed, guys. This is still going to be our bearish pattern. Okay, it's still a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and this is the end of the 5 wave, even though that makes no sense. And this is going to push us all the way back down, guys. All the way back down. You know, our target is all the way down here. If we actually zoom out a little bit, our target is going to push us all the way back down here to $10,000. That's our ultimate target out of this 5 wave. Okay, guys, nothing has changed. You guys just don't listen. You don't listen. You guys need to listen to me. Oh, you want to talk crap? Blocked. Blocked. Okay? $10,000 is our target out of this 5 wave. It's gonna happen, okay? I'm gonna be right, and I'm gonna show my old videos on stream every day to try to act like I'm right every single day. Okay? So I'll see you guys later. Guys, like I said, nothing has changed. My skin is very thin, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's member only stream. See you guys. That's what he's gonna say tomorrow. That's what he's gonna say tomorrow, man. I'm telling you, bro. If he even streams, he's probably not gonna stream. He doesn't stream when the price goes up. All right, moving on. negative 50K, probably. Wonder if BCH will ever move. Yeah, we'll see. 46.97. 46.97. ETH is continuing up, man. Look at ETH. Look at ETH. Let's go. Look at ETH. Thanks for warning, George. I don't know if I warned George. I see it's getting rejected. 46.98. Let's freaking go. Breathe. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Let's see if ETH can do it again, boys. ETH broke 4,700 again. Probably, man. Mover. Check out Mover, I guess. Let's see. Ryan said, everyone hates me, but plot twist. You looked at the wrong chart. It's not on TradingView yet. You got to look at it on tidychart.org for the accurate chart. Bro, I'm not... Ryan. I would do it for you, brother, but here's the thing. I'm not going on tinychart.org on stream. First of all, I don't even know what that is. Right? So if I open it up and it's some random website, I can't. I don't open up a random website on stream for reasons. I have done it in the past, and it's got me in trouble. All right, I don't open random websites on stream. I have done that in the past. I'll say. All right, ETH is pushing 4,700 again, guys. ETH is literally pushing 4,700 again, like clockwork, bro. Can we look at LRC? We can do that, Scott. We can do that. Let me actually use the Bitcoin chart for LRC and keep Ethereum up, because Ethereum is the one moving up right now. LRC. It's an algo project? I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. Hope this momentum keeps up through the week. Me too, man. Me too. Let's see. Poo chart is better. I'm sure it is. Man, LRC. I mean, I would say if you can get it back above 155, there's a good shot of true story, bro. There's a good shot of you know, this resistance. It's a good shot of you coming back up and testing the wick here. Testing the wick upwards of 173 ultimately. And just a perfect continuation of off the 20 EMA, which I love to use. Perfect continuation off that. So this breaks 155. It's going to 173 ultimately. 1 hour is a little bit overbought, so maybe you come back down and test first and then continue up. Right? Don't get panicked if that happens ultimately. And then the daily is showing a little bit of bearish divergence, but it's not confirmed yet until you get a rejection at one of these levels ultimately. All right. But that's LRC in a nutshell, man. I mean, just looking to break 155. Just looking to break 155. Just be careful of the bearish divergence here on the daily, though. That if you get rejected here, that could ultimately push you down a little bit lower first. Ultimately. All right. Let's go back to BTC and ETH. BTC is trying to move up again. I don't know how much juice BTC has left, guys. Here's to be honest, like we've said it countless times, like BTC does what it wants. So does Ethereum in a way. I don't know how much more juice it has. ETH does. Don't wanna party. But tiny charts are closed on Sundays. Interesting. Maybe continue up, man. ETH. ETH. Everyone spam ETH in the chat. I don't think everyone has ETH in here. I'm going to spam ETH in the chat. I know that. I'm going to spam ETH. I'm going to spam the bulls. I'm going to spam HODL. And that's what I'm going to spam. There we go. ETH, bulls, and HODL in the chat. Just spam those. I kind of like spamming. Don't spam, guys. Don't spam. No one likes spamming. Okay? No one only when we spam swords and shields. That's the only spam we like, is when we need the swords and shields. Ultimately here. 106K BTC this month? Could be. I would not doubt it whatsoever, man. Not doubt it whatsoever. There's no volume. Where's the volume? Where's the volume? I love that. I love it. That's my favorite argument, man. There's no volume. There's no volume. Oh, man. I love that argument, man. It's so funny. Where's my, where's the volume here? Where's our volume? Let's zoom out a little bit. There's no volume! There's no volume! Look at the volume, bro. Ever since we bottomed out. Same volume, yet look at the price, bro. There's no volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. Oh, man, bro. There's no volume. There's nothing. I'm Crypto Kirby. There's no volume. Crypto Kirby. There's no volume. Oh, man. I'm done. Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed. There's no volume. Man, I'm done. I'm done with the no volume, guys. You guys are like, Jordan, shut the heck up, man. What does Bob got to say? There's no volume. Didn't say nothing. He's gonna pass out, said Trudy. Check volume. Oh, man. It's too good, man. It's too good. I'm having too much fun. I love the volume people, bro. I love the no volume people. Bitcoin, please go down. Are you stealing my money? Yeah. Seriously. Looks bearish. Yeah, we look bearish. We do look very bearish right now. We just broke out of a continuation pattern to the upside with a target of $74,000. Looking very bearish with no volume. Oh, man. That's going to be my new staple. There's no volume. Sounds like a grandpa. I need a grandpa guy. There's no volume. I guess his date went well then. How about that? See, STH said, STH became a member, man. What's going on, man? Drew said there's no volume, bro. We going to zero? Go to zero, bro. There's no volume. No! What's going on, SDH? Chuck said I think the volume is fine. Bob's looking for the remote still, I think. Jabba shorted the wedge. Yeah, Jabba, he's still trying to blind himself, man. I think he was trying to blind himself earlier. We'll get an update on Jabba tomorrow, see if he blinded himself. He tried to blind himself earlier because he doesn't want to short anymore, and he thinks of shining a bright light in his eyes is going to make it so he can't short. It's actually pretty genius for Jabba, right? I mean, why does Jabba need the eyes? I mean, he can't even move. So, I mean, I guess it's kind of genius. I guess it's kind of genius for him. Just turn the volume up. Man, how much longer do we guys, it was a crazy day, dude. I had so much emotion for like 2.5 hours already. Here's the thing, like, I am beat right now. But here's the thing, I don't want to get off because I feel like as soon as I get off, ETH is going to continue up. I just have this gut feeling that ETH is not done. I said the same thing, what was it, yesterday or 2 days ago? And I said, I think it's not done, and then it continued up. Like, I was going to get off, and I didn't, and it just continued up. I don't want to get off here because I feel like it's not done. And I don't want to miss out on ETH. I can't miss out on my wife. Bitcoin, I think, could be done for tonight. Ethereum, on the other hand, I don't think is done tonight. Just because where the RSI is. You know? What's up, Zerost? Zerost, what's going on, brother? It's going up whether you stream or not. Get some sleep, dude. What's sleep? What's sleep in crypto land? We don't sleep here. We don't sleep in crypto lands. Trust me, I got plenty of sleep on Saturday, man. I slept for a long time on Saturday. A long time on Saturday. Saturday was... Friday into Saturday was definitely a doozy. Definitely a doozy. I definitely regret everything I did. Freddie, what's up, Freddie? Freddie became a member too. Holy crap, everyone's becoming members right now. What the heck is going on? You get 3 members back to back to back to back. That's crazy, bro. Appreciate you guys hanging out, man. Hopefully you can see more days like this. This is what we're here for. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe too. I'm not sure what is really going down here right now. Why is this like this, man? Why is this like this? I don't know what's going on. Hold on, guys. I gotta refresh this. I gotta refresh this real quick, guys. Hold up. YouTube is bugging. YouTube's bugging. Holy crap, man. Hold on, guys. This is annoying, man. ETH is sitting at 4701 still. Dude, we still got, is this legit? We still got 1,600 people in here? Holy crap, man. How many do we have at the top? We had 2,600 people in here at one point? Holy majoli. Holy majoli. That's the second biggest stream we've had of all time. Holy crap, man. I think the biggest stream we had of all time was when Bitcoin was going nuts, and I did that little twirl and we were like, holy crap, man. That's insane. That is insane. Wow, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate everyone watching, man. That's wow. That's a lot of freaking people, man. I didn't even notice. I usually don't look at that stuff to the end, right? But wow, I had to refresh and holy crap, bro. That's insane. 4,700. Bitcoin's at 65,200, dude. 2,600 spamming. I guess. All right, what else can we... Is XRP moving up still? Not really. XRP's chilling. Matic is coming back down a little bit. Guess it's really the Ethereum and Bitcoin watch show, at least right now, man. At least right now. LRC. Did we already look at LRC for Sky? I think we did. Did we look at LRC, guys? I can't remember. I can't remember if we looked at LRC. Yeah, we did. We did. I thought we did. I was pretty convinced that we did, man. No volume. Thanks, Freddie. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, man. I like I said, dude, I have so much fun doing this. Yeah, I mean, this is the best part of my day every day. Every day. Even the days that I have plans, I try to stream because I just like, I do it. It's fun, man. It's fun. It's fun. Any day that I don't, it just doesn't feel right. You know? Like when I went on vacation the other day, like, holy ETH! And we back down. we back down. It looked like it was going to pump for a second. But we came a little bit back down. Like I said, guys, I don't think ETH is done. I don't think ETH is done, man. I've been saying it. I think Bitcoin might be chilling here for a little bit, but I don't think ETH is done. I don't. The Whatnot channel stole this thing? Who stole this song? Paul Baldwin. Who stole my pump song? Who stole my pump song, bro? I want to know right now who stole the pump song. I am very, very, very upset. You can't steal the pump song, man. That's our song. That's ridiculous. All right, let's see. Holy! That's the... Holy crap, look at that hourly candle on Mover. Holy majoli. Holy crap, man. Mover's going nuts. Look at that hourly candle, dude. That's the biggest pickle I've ever seen. That thing is crazy, bro. Holy majoli. You smashed all-time highs just like that. You're gone, man. You are gone like the wind. You're gone like the wind, as they would say. Let's see where you could be going to next, man. And your next target is $510. You might not go straight up to it, but that is technically the next target, bro. Hoover's going nut burgers right now. Absolutely nut burgers. Last 2 hours, it's up 24% in the last 2 hours. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy for a mover. It's crazy what we're seeing overall right now, man. I mean, it's the power of BTC, I guess, dude. The crypto is so much more fun when Bitcoin's going up. Even the people that don't own Bitcoin, can you admit in the chat that crypto's more fun when Bitcoin's going up? It just is. It's just because we all know that crypto only goes as far as Bitcoin goes. And I think that's what makes it fun. You know what I mean? Even if you don't own that much Bitcoin or you don't know Bitcoin, I think everyone can agree. Vegas in April, baby. Oh, heck yeah. Dude, Algo, I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited to hang out with a bunch of you guys, man. It's going to be super fun. It's coming up, too. I mean, it's the middle of November. Not the middle of November, but it's coming up, man. You know, we got probably 5 months. It sounds like a long time, but 5 months ago, it was June, and we were in a mini bear market, right? 5 months can go by very, very fast. I'm excited for it. If you guys, we are going to Vegas in April. If you guys are interested, join the Discord link down below. You know, if I'm not in there, there's probably a bunch of people that can tell you which dates we're going and things like that. But go join the Discord down below. All the info's in down there. If you want to come to Vegas, a lot of people are probably holding out to see what crypto does. If crypto keeps pumping up, you know, more people are probably going to come. If the rest of their bags do a 3-4x, I'm sure more people will come. So we have, I think there's a good amount of people already coming. So it's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun. Hey, dude, if I'm the only person there, I will be there and I will have fun myself. I'm that type of person that can have fun by myself if I really have to. Heck, I come up here and I stream by myself for hours a day. You know? But it's gonna be fun, man. We will be in a bear market. Hey, at that time, hey, yeah. I mean, in theory. Definitely could be. Definitely could be. Extended dead cat bounce. What's up, Sunflower? Hope you can make it. 47.10. Looking pretty good. 47.10. ETH is right there, dude. ETH is gonna break it again. ETH is gonna break it again, man. It's going to do it. It's knocking on the door. It's knocking on the door of glory right now. There it is. There it is. Can it hold it? Can it hold it? Come on, ETH. Suck 'em dry. Suck 'em dry, ETH. Suck 'em dry. Get your swords and shields out. We need the swords and shields right now, guys. Swords and shields in the chat right now for ETH breaking higher. Okay, we need the Vikings right now. We need all the Vikings in the chat, guys. Spam the swords, spam the shields. If you can't find the sword or shield emoji, just type swords and shields in the chat. Spam it. I want you guys to spam swords and shields. Okay? Nice hat. Thank you, OSU. It is a pretty nice hat, isn't it? It is a pretty nice hat. I do have to say myself. But I do have to say. Nadia with the super chat. Thank you, Nadia. Appreciate that. Muhammad with the 1799 AED. I don't know what that currency is. I wish I did. I wish I did, but unfortunately I don't. But I appreciate it anyway, Muhammad. Faraz said, can you look at Sonar Ping? Sure, man. Let me use the Bitcoin chart because ETH is at all-time highs right now. Bitcoin is close as I type in ETH. Sonar doesn't look like it's on here unless it's called Ping. It's not. Yeah, it's not on there, brother. My bad, man. Nice hat. And then Muhammad said BNB, please, better to keep it or sell it right now. Keep it or sell it right now. I wouldn't be selling BNB. I mean, here's the thing. What's your goal? What's your goal in crypto? If your goal in crypto is to make an X amount of money, this is why you should always have a goal when you come in, right? Now, BNB right now, essentially, is at its previous highs. Is that okay for you, right? Are you okay with, do you just want to get to previous highs? There's no problem with taking some profits right now, you know? No problem with taking some profits. I never recommend selling all, especially in a bull market. We are in a bull market. Ethereum is breaking all-time highs right now. Bitcoin's at 63,300 right, or 65,300 right now. We are in a bull market. Take some profits. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, right? Have a goal, but ultimately, I think BNB continues higher. You do your own research, though. I'm not gonna tell you what to do ultimately. Let's see. 65. Bitcoin's continuing up too, bro. There goes ETH, man. Man, this is too good. It's too good. It's too good, man. I wanna party. I'm going nuts right now. 47.12 for ETH as we continue higher. Man, we're continuing higher casually for Ethereum. ETH on the daily looks so good. ETH on the weekly, look at ETH on the weekly, bro. Bear market status, and man, bro, it's out, it's gone like the wind. See if we get any push higher here. Jordan, you bringing anyone to Vegas with you? Not confirmed. I mean, Proud Gun Order, that's 6 months away, right? So I'd say as of right now, no. Like I said, I'm not going to say too much. Certain people watch this stream. As of right now, no. I'll say that. All right. BTC 65.3. And Ethereum 47.12. You know, I mean, what's new? Link is actually trying to move up. Look at Link. Link 33.14 and XRP is actually going up to 127. Everything is doing pretty well right now, guys. The top caps are doing well, at least. I'm not sure what the bottom caps looking like. Obviously, Mover went nuts. Mover went nuts too. Looking good, man. We're looking good. Link the Slink. It's coming up finally. Want more Link as soon as I saw Bitcoin pop? Yeah, dude, Link more than any other coin, probably besides Ethereum, follows Bitcoin to an absolute T. Every time Link tries to move up and Bitcoin drops, Link just drops too. And anytime Bitcoin moves up, Link moves up too. Link is very, very correlated to Bitcoin. There's like certain coins that are super correlated to Bitcoin, I've noticed. It's like XRP, Chainlink, and a lot of the older coins too, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, all very correlated to Bitcoin. And then there's some coins that just aren't. Like they're still correlated, but not as much as I would say. So ETH is doing pretty good. BNB. How many people are going to blow all their Bitcoin gambling in Vegas? I won't blow all my Bitcoin, but I will definitely. Oh, I can't say that. I can't say that on stream. I can't. That's Jordan. That's way too inappropriate for stream, bro. That's way too inappropriate. Let's not say that. Okay. I can't say that. Thoughts on reserve rights? Let's check out reserve rights for my boy in the chat. Reserve rights. Reserve rights. What are we doing on this bad boy? This bad boy. Reserve rights. Say it? I can't say that. I can't. Let's see. Reserve rights. Breakout and back test. I think it did. The daily. Yeah, it looks like it broke out and back tested. Let's see if you can get momentum to the upside, man. I mean, that's basically in a nutshell what you're waiting for here. You're not trying to support. You were going to get squeezed in between this resistance and support. You chose unbroken to the upside. Let's see if this back test can push you up higher now. As of now, it really hasn't done it just yet. But I think it could be coming here. I think it could be coming at some point here in the near future. Looks like it might be forming a little bit of a flag here. A little bit too early to tell. Only 2 touches on both sides, but it looks like you're in the makings of building some type of flag to the upside, which would ultimately, if this ended up being a flag, would push you up to. Let's take a look. Put you upwards of about 5.5 cents. Yeah, in theory, if this ends up being a flag. Like I said, we only have 2 touches on both sides, but you can see the clear channel it's trying to make there. It also was a wedge, and you already broke it out too. It was actually a wedgie as well, and you already broke the wedgie to the upside. Target would be upwards of 4.8 cents for that too. So, not looking too shabby, man. Not looking too shabby, I would say. A lot of bearded dragons. I don't know if I want to slay a bearded dragon. That sounds quite unpleasant. A bearded dragon. Oh, Karen, if you're going to Vegas, I'm going too. I'm going too. I'm going too. Oh, man. You're not going without. I'm going too. I'm going too. You're not going without me. You're not going without me. What do you think you are, Jordan? You think you can go without me? I'm going too. You already know how it is. All right, but yeah, so Bitcoin and ETH might be taking a little bit of a breather here, guys. A little bit of a breather, especially Bitcoin might need a little bit of a breather. ETH could continue up, but if Bitcoin has a breather, ETH probably sees a slight breather as well, honestly, at this point. So I'm going to call it a stream here. 9:30. We started a little bit early today, so we've been streaming for close to 3 hours now. I'm going to get off. Awesome stream today. This honestly, I think we didn't pump up as much, but this probably was the most fun I've had on stream ever. This was probably my favorite stream I've ever had. The one that we had where I did a little twirl and we pumped was great too, but this was, I don't know, it was good vibes. It was good vibes the whole stream in the chat. Everyone was pretty excited, and it's good to see, man. I love when everyone's excited. I love when crypto. I love when Bitcoin's moving up. It's just such a good vibe in the air when Bitcoin is moving up, and it just makes it so fun. And I like when everyone's positive and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna get off. Hopefully we can get back on tomorrow, and this can be a recurring thing for Bitcoin here. As I think it will. I think this week is going to be a doozy, guys. I've been saying it. I think this week is going to be a doozy. There'll obviously be ups and downs throughout the week, right? We're not going to go up in a straight line, but I think this week is going to be a doozy. And I don't say that lightly. So I will catch you guys tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Make sure you guys don't panic, sell your crypto. Make sure you guys, you know, I guess don't do anything I wouldn't do, which is don't panic, sell your crypto. And see you guys tomorrow at 7. Join the Discord, Twitter, and Instagram down below. Make sure you guys go follow me on all those. And catch you guys later. All right? Peace out.